Hey there, Ray from Bridge Marina, reaching out to remind you that winterization is thoroughly underway here. Many of you may have already gotten your winterization report card. Some of you will get it soon. And to remind you that review or report card is where we go through your entire boat to check on all your systems and report any issues or maintenance that you may want to consider. The reminder is also that our winter work is booking up. We are already about 50% booked for the winter, and that's going to book up completely probably by the end of our fall season. So if you have any upgrades that we suggest, or maybe there's some upgrades that you're looking for, a new stereo, a power bimini top, I don't know, whatever it may be. Reminder is to get on a list as soon as you can so we get that work done in the winter when the boats are doing nothing, and we're here to take care of them. So reach out to Doug or a service department. We're glad to help you. The other reminder is that winter may be the time that if you're tired of your boat and you want to get a new one, winter is a perfect time for trading up or getting something newer. And October we've got some wonderful deals this month. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for doing business with us, and I look forward to getting you on the water.